Greetings to one and all. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the Section A group asanas of the School Game Federation of India syllabus. So let's start with the first asana, which is Paschimottanasana. Slowly sit in Sthiti Dandasana and slowly take your hands from the side till your shoulder region. Twist your hands. Now slowly take it up. Give a nice stretch and bend from your lower back and try to touch your toes, and then slowly bend your elbows, touch the ground and head on the knees. Maintain. Now slowly come back. Release your hands. Slowly take your hands again. Try to come back to the same position. Slowly release your hands till your shoulder region. Now twist your hands and slowly keep it down. Come to Sthiti Dandasana. Now we'll start with Sarvangasana. So slowly come to Sthiti Dandasana. Now with your help of your elbows, slowly lie down. Now lift your both legs up till 90-degree angle. From there lift your back up and with your hands support your back. Now make your body completely straight like a stick, and here your chin is touching your chest. Now maintain. Now slowly drop down your hands. Slowly. Now drop your back. Slowly. Your legs at 90-degree angle. Now drop down your legs slowly. Now again with the help of your elbows, slowly come down. Come back and sit in Sthiti Dandasana again. Now we'll start with the third, which is Matsyasana. So again start in Sthiti Dandasana. Slowly bend your left leg, then your right. Now adjust yourself properly and then slowly with the help of your elbows, slowly lie down. After that, slowly take your both hands up above your head, and from there bend it and slowly take your head and twist it and keep your crown on the ground. Again take your both hands backwards. Now from here catch your both big toes and your elbows on the ground. Now maintain. The arch is very important. Now slowly again take your hands at the back, take it above your head. Now again bend it. Now release your head from there. Again take your hands back near to your thighs. Slowly with the help of your elbows, slowly come up, sit down. Now one by one take down your legs. Now come in Sthiti Dandasana. Now the fourth asana is Dhanurasana. So we'll start the practice. Sit in Sthiti Dandasana. Slowly bend your right leg, keep under your buttock. Now bend your left leg, keep under your buttock. Now slowly from here, kneel up, lift your body up, and now slowly take your hands forward and keep it on the ground and slowly lie down. Now take your hands above your head. Now from there bend your knees and now slide your hands from your head aside to your thighs. Now slowly catch your big toes. Now pull it forward and twist your hands. And now elbows front, and now straighten your hands completely up. Your head should see upwards. Now slowly drop down your hands. Bend it. Now again twist it back. Now slowly keep your knees and your hands down on the ground. Now slowly slide a hand again forward above your head. Now bend your knees back. Straighten it up. Now slowly take your hands beside your chest. Now slowly get up. Sit in Vajrasana again. Now slowly take your left leg forward and then the right, or vice versa. Now sit in Sthiti Dandasana and just maintain there. We'll start with the fifth asana, which is Matsyendrasana. Now sit in Sthiti Dandasana. Fold your right leg across the left and keep it on your left buttock. Fold your left leg, keep your left feet on the right knee. Now take your right hand, slowly take it above your head. Now slowly twist yourself now across the left leg, catch the left feet. Now slowly twist your body, your left hand across your body and catching your left thigh. Now twist yourself, look backwards and maintain. Your spine should be completely straight. Now slowly release your hand, and from there slowly your right hand also take it above your head and slowly take it through your shoulder region. Keep it down. Now release your left leg first, straighten it up, and then take the right leg above and then straighten it up. Come to Sthiti Dandasana and relax yourself. The sixth and the last asana of group A, Uttana Padasana. Sit in Sthiti Dandasana. Now with the help of your elbows, slowly lie down and straight legs straight. Now slowly lift your legs up to 60-degree angle and just maintain there. Go for normal breathing. Maintain. Slowly drop down your legs. Now slowly again with the help of your elbows, just come up. Again, after that, sit in Sthiti Dandasana and maintain. Now relax yourself.